How to log out of your account on Logseq application. There are two ways that you can log out of your account on Logseq app. First option being from the app itself. You want to go to your profile setting of the application. First you want to open the Logseq app. And inside the app's profile setting, you'll be able to delete your account from these three bars over here. And if you are already logged in into your account, you'll be able to see a sign out option at the very bottom. However, there is a quicker method to remove your account from the app. Simply tap and hold on to the Logseq application and click on app info. After that, you want to simply tap on storage and cache, clear storage, and you want to tap on delete. By doing so, all of your user data will be deleted, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.